Meteorologist Dean Davis and the Weather Pros and Responding Fire. We're going to look at what's going on here, and we're going to show you the way this is looking. 12Z looked this way, 6Z looked this way, 0Z looked this way last night. I think this is a good sign that this will occur. There's just a little bit of timing issues, and that still will be the problem, and probably till tomorrow when things get a little bit better on timing. But timing being Saturday and Sunday, and look at the heavy snowfall that will occur over the Virginia area. I will back up and go into the regional map here for you so you can see up close, and we're going to also show you the information where it comes to the amounts. And I am heightening my amounts. I'm letting you know that now. I am heightening my amounts up to 5 to 11 inches with some areas over 1 foot. This is going to be my final total. I'm stick with it unless major, and I mean major things, change. So when we come into Virginia here, you can see we get a little bit of snow override. That could help New Jersey a little bit. I know they want some snow up there, and hopefully we can get it to them. And this will then just overtake the area. Heavy snow starts to fall Saturday afternoon through Sunday, and we're going to get a good amount of snow coming at that point. That's the major issue. Canadians kind of filled into that. The Euros kind of filled into that. So I'm pretty confident that's what's going to happen. And as I said, we move on. Heavier snow moves to the northeast, and we'll have information on what we're going to see with that snow. We're looking at a total snowfall map coming up here from the 18C. Not much, I don't believe, has changed since it's brand new, since the 12Z run. So we're looking at probably the same amount of snow that was on the run earlier in this run now, and it is. We're looking at 6 to 10 inches on this run, right along the Blue Ridge, heaviest mounts. Not much has changed on the model data, so that doesn't hurt what I'm saying. That's why I have increased to 5 to 11 inches with the isolated over 1 foot areas. And I will have a document put up there later tonight to show you that. Other than that, so the timing looking like now possibly a little later than 1 o'clock, maybe 5, but that's what I'm saying. The timing is the real hard thing right now to get under. We may have it as early as 11 a.m. on Saturday, and we may have it as late as 3 or 4 at start time, but it will last through Sunday afternoon and evening, and then finally taper off with leaving close anywhere from a half foot to a foot of snow likely in the area. And like I said, unless major things change, I will not be changing this information. So that being said, 5 to 11 inches coming for the areas Roanoke to Lynchburg, the areas that I cover in Southwest Virginia. We may hit 1 inch. Unfortunately, it's not looking so good. Maybe a little bit more up in Jersey. It depends on how the angle comes with the storm. We'll keep you updated on that too. So we'll talk to you again pretty soon. Meteorologist Dean Davis. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.